Watching the ANA Honu plane take off today. This is a massive plane. There's a C-17 ahead of it over there. That makes that plane look small. Southwest 737 behind it. It looks tiny too. Sorry for all the wind noise, but it's really windy out here today. This plane is leaving here from Honolulu International Airport on the reef runway, and it's going to be heading to Tokyo Narita Airport in about 8.5 hours. In a few months I'll be on the same exact plane going to Tokyo, and then the final destination is Sapporo up in Hokkaido. Can't wait to get on the plane, but for now I get to watch it take off today. And you can see Diamond Head in the background there. Using a lot of that 12,000 foot runway here. But there we go, it's off ground. On its way to Japan. See you in a few months, Honu. I'll be on there too. And downtown Honolulu in the background there. And it's going to be making the right turn. Coming back over Diamond Head. Alright. See you guys later.